Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about some of these charts. I want to look at the total altcoin chart. I want to look at the total market cap chart. I want to look at the Bitcoin dominance, and I also want to talk about 3 altcoins that might actually do good in this bull cycle for one particular reason. And I also want to bring up another coin to you guys and some of the crazy things and nice things that it's working on. So if you are excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, leave me a comment in the comment box of a subject, topic, or coin that you need me to cover, and if it is good, I will cover it. So first things first, I want to talk about the total 2. So this is my chart that I had for the total 2. The green line right here is showing that this was the all-time high from the last bull run. We barely passed that on February 8th. We spiked above it. We topped out on February 20th, and now we seem like we retested it yesterday with that ugly dip. Shout out to some people who bought that thing. But the markets still might have a little bit more of a recovery to do, because this chart looks all good and well, but we are back in this zone here, this magenta zone. And when I go to the weekly chart, I'm still seeing that we haven't quite came out of overbought territory. We haven't got out of there yet. So I was saying we were above there for a while, and I'm like, I'm getting iffy. I kept telling you guys, I don't know, it's looking kind of strange, but I want to see it go down just a little bit more to kind of give me a little bit more, running room so I can jump farther. That's what we're looking for. We want more running room so we can jump farther in these total 2s. Looking at the total, this is the market cap of all of the coins, including Bitcoin, and it looks very similar. It looks very similar. The chart of Bitcoin dominance right here. So we are still headed down. We came back down in this falling, broadening wedge, and we are gonna flip sooner or later. This dotted line right here is the altcoin flipping, when all of the altcoins will flip Bitcoin. And it's not really that big of a deal, because like I always say, it's a 7,000 against 1. So it's gonna happen. But when that happens, man, by the time that happens, altcoin bags are going to be looking very, very chunky. This is the chart of Omi right here, and all I could see is that there's a whole bunch of support in this area. So the bottom for Omi as of right now is looking like it's 0.0023, and so that's where a lot of people, I was able to buy some at this level around in here. Price spiked up a little bit today. Some updates about Omi. They're doing a lot of AMAs. They're getting some marketing going. They have a AMA with BitBoy's Telegram group on Friday, I believe, but they have a lot more AMAs planned. Also some mainstream marketing coming soon with some great marketing companies that markets billion-dollar apps. So let's hope that VV gets traction. It's also number 20 something on the App Store right now. So that's pretty good for Omi and VV. So DOS, we haven't talked about the DOS chart in a while, but I know a lot of people who watch my channel love the DOS coin. We're waiting for this thing to turn around. So that dip that we had yesterday brought us right out of our nice recovery bowl that we're building. It's still holding into this pattern where it looks like it just wants to continue to curve back around and keep going up. That's what I'm hoping for DOS right now, with some changes and some things coming with the protocol and the platform, some new things showing up on their GitHub. I think DOS is going to be in for a pump sooner or later. So there's a couple coins that have been getting on my radar just because they've been getting on my radar. I haven't been looking for them. And those are the exchange coins. Now, as more people get into crypto, they're going to want to use these exchanges. And especially everyone saying, hey, you know what? We need to find the big alternate for Uniswap. People don't want to pay these fees. People don't want to That's true. People don't want to pay fees, but also people don't want to have to bridge to another chain like Binance chain or XDAI or something like that. It's a little bit more complicated and it takes a little bit more time. So like me, I just said, forget it. I'll go back to a centralized exchange if I need a certain coin. So that's why we see that exchange coins are probably going to do good amongst newbies, because when I'm bringing new people into crypto, there's no way that I tell them to start off with Uniswap. I have to send them to a centralized exchange first. So the three tokens, the three centralized exchange tokens, one of them is FTX. This token has been doing pretty well. It's actually up, ranked at 33, moving up in the market cap right now. FTX token, FTT from the FTX exchange. There's FTX US and also FTX International. Another one is the Bitmax token. So the Bitmax token is actually been moving under everybody's radar, but look at it's up pretty well, 1000% in the last 30 days. Look at that chart for the Bitmax token. So if you're on Bitmax, then Bitmax token is, you know, pretty nice looking buy right now. Also Kucoin. Now I've always liked KCS. It's always been one of the coins that I really enjoyed holding, because when you hold KCS, you get a percentage of the fees from the spot exchange and a percentage of the fees from the futures exchange. So you get two sets of passive income every day. Every day they send it to your wallet and you can compound it every day if you want to. And I think Kucoin should do very well. All-time high is 20 bucks. Right now it's at $5. I think Kucoin is a steal. I wish I would have bought 10,000 of them when they were $1. And last but certainly not least, I want to talk to you guys about a coin that is just making waves. Making its waves. Doing some cool things and has a nice product, and that is Flow from Dapper Labs. Right now it is at 103. Total market cap is $474 million, so it's not a low cap, but 23 million tokens in circulation. Supply is unlimited, but who cares? Coming down, what is it? So Dapper Labs is the company which created CryptoKitties. So if you heard about CryptoKitties, they're the ones who created that. But they also created NBA Top Shots, which is very popular right now. People are buying Top Shots and selling Top Shots for extreme amounts of money. It's like the NFTs that people understand, because people could say, yo, I could see somebody paying $1,000 for a LeBron James collectible, but I can't see them paying $1,000 for a CryptoKitty. So yeah, NBA Top Shots is a good one, built on Dapper Labs. But also this UFC one right here, a lot of people love the UFC. It is like the newest upcoming sport of sports right now. So UFC NFTs by Dapper Labs would be pretty nice. And the way that Dapper Labs does things is very nice in general. If you ever seen the NBA Top Shots website, you know they do things with quality. And then Dr. Seuss for the little children out there. So this, I think, still have room to move. Now these are not low caps, so they're not as risky as buying a low cap. A low cap is a little bit more risky because they're low caps and certain things could happen, like teams could exit, scam, or stuff like that, or they can just give up on the project. What I've seen is some protocols or something like that, they just give up on the project, like, hey, we were out of money, so sorry guys. So yeah, that's why you gotta have some high caps in your bag as well. Can be overdoing it with the low caps, but you know I love my low cap gems anyway. So if you're into any of those coins, let me know. Also, I'm going to be doing a community coin video coming here soon, so put your bids in. There's a lot of coins getting shouted out. I got to see which ones are the best and which ones I think have the most potential. So shout out to y'all for watching the video this far. Shout out to y'all for subscribing, liking the video, helping me out with this algorithm on this channel. Shout out to you guys for taking this opportunity for yourself to make money in cryptocurrency. Your grandkids gon' thank you. Till next time, peace.